I'm Jason Hibbard, product trainer with Milton Cat. Today I'm sitting in a 259 D3 compact track loader. One of the things that is unique about the D3 machine is that it has the capability of working with some of the new smart attachments that have been released from Caterpillar. One of those smart attachments is this GB120 grater blade. The grater blade comes in two different widths. It comes in a 2 meter and a 2.4 meter. Additionally, you can add optional wings to the outside of it to increase that by an additional 2 feet. And it also gives you the ability to carry material and side shift around light poles and fixtures and things like that. One of the things that makes the smart attachments unique is their ability to communicate back and forth with the machine that they're on. So traditionally, your right joystick on a compact track loader or a skid steer is going to move the loader arms and the dump and tilt function for the bucket or another attachment that you have. With this, when you enable the attachment mode, this joystick now is going to directly control the grater blade itself. So I'm going to reach up here, I turn that system on, and now when I pull back, it's going to directly raise that grater blade up and down, and it's going to keep it consistent level as I move it. Additionally, if I need to go left and right, that's going to tilt that grater blade either direction. And if I want to angle it, I'm going to use the top roller switch on that joystick. So the entire thing is controlled from one hand right on the top of the joysticks. Very operator friendly, very intuitive, very easy to get used to. Additional to that, there's some assist features that you can set. So the first one that you can set is a cross slope. So if I wanted to hold let's say a 5% left cross slope, I would go in and I would set that and hold down on the number 3 button to store it into the monitor. Once that's stored, it's going to maintain that angle. So now if I need to come back the opposite direction on the same pass that I did, just double tap that button and it's going to automatically bring back over to directly mirror what I had on the left side. And now if I want to come right back to my direct center and zero out the grade of the blade, I'm going to single tap the number 4 button on the top of the joystick and it's going to zero out that cutting edge. Everything that I just discussed and talked about is standard on those blades from Caterpillar. If you want to take the grater blade to the next level, SiteTech Northeast is going to be able to help you with that. So if you want to go to a 2D system or a 3D system or UTS, they are going to be the ones to assist you with that. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Evan Moshman, and he is going to go through some of those features and benefits with you.
Thanks, Jason. And I'm Evan from SiteTech Northeast, and I'm here to talk about these compact attachments. The compact machines have really become the Swiss Army knife of the job site. The operator jumps in, now with the smart attachment, pushes a button, the machine knows what attachment's on it, makes it really easy to jump in and just put it right to work. So on these attachments, we're taking the laser system or the GPS system or the total station guided system that we traditionally use on your motor grader or your bulldozer, and you're putting it right to work. The same technology you can share right from one machine to another. These attachments are used all over the place. Anything that you're doing a flat pad and you need to keep it right, we'll use the laser. If you're doing something that's got a changing grade, we'll use GPS or the total station. If you need that perfect grade where you got to keep that 1/8 inch accuracy, we'll jump onto it with a total station. So a lot of these jobs where you've finished things up, gotten them really close with a bulldozer, you're able to come in and make it perfect. Or when you need that small compact blade for inside of a median or on a sidewalk. These smart attachments from Cat are really changing the way things are done on a job site.
Thanks, Evan, and thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about smart attachments from Caterpillar and the GB series of grater blades. If you have any questions, please hit the button at the bottom of this email, and we'll look forward to hearing from you to answer them.